Couldn't sleep last night, waking up a cold sweat, reading your last line. Now it's 6 in the morning, and I'm staring at the side of the bed that you're not. I wonder where you're waking, wonder if you're all alone. Don't you wish you could just be right here, waking up where you belong?
Hi, sweetie pie. This is my new apartment. Yes, a lot has been going on in my life and I'm starting all over. So I wanted to share these moments with you guys. I know I've been MIA, but I am back and I'm so happy to be back with you guys and answer all the questions that you guys have for me. So yeah. If you are interested in this video of my new life, the new chapter in my life, then stay tuned.
Take my number, you could have it. You could call me, text me, I'll look past it. If you don't know how to treat a woman, close your eyes, ain't no point in looking. Over here with the weak, get out of here with the weak. You won't get nowhere with that. I had your type before, no, I don't want that back. Don't want that back. You talk fiction, I talk facts. Boy, if you think I'm a fool.
I am here at the front. So I'm gonna give you guys, this is the front door. I have hardwood floors. It's like a gray and with a brown tint, kind of like, okay, so when you first walk in, here is the guest bathroom that is joined or connected to my second bedroom. So I bought a couple of things. I didn't buy anything, like I didn't buy a lot of things. Everything is empty. But I did buy this little vase from Ross for $5.99. You guys know I have to show you guys because I design on a budget. This is from the Dollar Tree for $1. These are also from Ross. You see it, $5.99, $4.99. And I didn't take the prices off because I wanted you guys to see. This is $5.99 as well. This is also from Ross. You see it, Pioneer here, but yeah, I'm just looking a mess. But anyway, what was this? Ooh, $9.99. I think you guys can see that, but that's really good. Also got these two from Ross. I didn't hang it up, but they're $8.99 a piece. This is my shower and everything. The linen closet is pretty deep, but it's narrow. So that's that. I'm going to go into the second bedroom now. Here is my YouTube room. And here's the view from the living room. So I have two entrances, one from the bathroom and one from the living room. Here is the closet. It's a walk-in closet, pretty big. I like it. It's gonna house all of my YouTube equipment and my overflow of clothes, of course. And here's the view from the closet. Light fixture, and all I did was put up curtains in every room. This is bad lighting. Bad lighting, bad lighting. Okay, so yeah, that's the curtains, and that's pretty much it for the second bedroom. So the view from the second bedroom, here is my living room. As I stated before, I just put up curtains. That's the light fixture. That is my dining room. I love that light fixture. That's my kitchen. I'm gonna go over there in a minute. So this is all I have purchased for the living room. thus far that's made it to the house. I'm waiting on a lot of things. I got this from Ross as well for $129, I believe, but it's something was in the back, like hit or something like that. And then these little dings. So I got 10% off. So ladies, if you have any kind of marks or damages on your pieces, ask them to give you a discount. I also got this bouquet of flowers from Dollar Tree for $1. This is also from Ross for $7.99. So my color, my accent color is like a Tiffany blue hue. I love candles, always have those on deck. I bought 2 of these. This one is originally for my bedroom, but I have it out here because I'm gonna have 2 up here, this one and this one. I just wanted to see how it was gonna look. But this is also from Ross, and I got it for, let me show you guys, $34.99. And like I said, it's 2 of them. So here is the overall view. Like I said, it's an empty apartment. So I'm gonna go back through here and show you guys the kitchen area. From here, I have this shelving unit. The unit that I did want right here had a office desk, and I was just so bummed when they didn't have that unit for me. So this unit just comes with that shelving unit and this shelving unit. So I'm just gonna put some things on there. I have my bar, and here's my kitchen. And like I said, this is my accent color, along with this, I wanna say, it's not red, it's coming up red on the camera, but it's a fuchsia pink. And that is the accent color. I bought a few things for the kitchen. As you can see, the canisters. I love tea in the mornings. And this is too glam. This says too glam to give a damn. And that's exactly how I feel. I've been a little bit emotional lately and wanted to connect with people, and it just hasn't been working out for me. So I just don't give a damn at this point in my life. So yeah, I even found these from Ross for $3.99, and it's, you know, a hue of the blue. Also got this from Ross. I believe this was $5.99. I like that. The wood. I also found a knife, but this was $4.99 for this bamboo knife set. I think this was $3.99 from Ross as well. I just can't wait to use these things. I believe I took this out of the box, but I believe that was $7.99, and these canisters are like really dirt cheap. Like $4.49. I think that one was $2 and something, and this one $5.49. So yeah, that's that. Here's my refrigerator. I don't even have anything. Like I said, I've been in for a few days. I just have agua. Literally just water, nothing. Here is my laundry room. I have a brand new washer and dryer. I have all of my cleaning supplies, my Tide and everything. If you guys are not up on SweetiePyes, you better get up on it. This smells so good. So yeah, I'm stocked up on that. This is my 2 laundry baskets that I purchased from Family Dollar. Those were really cute. So yeah, that's the laundry room. Plates and knife set. That's it for that. So as you walk down, here is the master bedroom, my bedroom. I just have the curtains up, like I said. My walls are gray. I hope they're coming up gray. I got this bed with the gray fabric bed with the nail head detailing from Wayfair. And I absolutely love the bed. This is a king size bed. I don't know if it's coming up, but this is my first purchase for my new apartment. Like I said, this is the other lamp from Ross, and I absolutely love this nightstand. I'm waiting to see if another one is going to come, but if not, I'm going to do like a clear glass or mirror for my next one, for it to go over there. I mean, for my other one, for it to go over there. And I also purchased this from Ross for $39.99. I absolutely love it. It's rustic. It's industrial. Like, if anybody that knows me knows that I love like textures, and I went to school for interior design, so I just have an eye for things like that. This is my favorite piece in the home. Like, that's crazy. But yeah, and here you have this beautiful shaggy plush carpet. This is the view from my bedroom. So this is the overall view. Here's my master bathroom. And again, in here you have the hardwood floors, and here is the sink. I'm gonna get like a little cushy chair to go there. And right here for some towels, I'm gonna have a little bench or something like that over here, or either there for some towels. Here is the tub. Yes, always have to have cleaning supplies on deck. Yeah, they didn't fix that from. So yeah, I just got this little thing from Dollar Tree. So that's a $2 piece right there. And that's me again. So this is my walk-in closet. So here is the walk-in closet. It's pretty big. And like I said, nothing yet. Oh, and here is my balcony. I'm not gonna go out there because it's dirty, and I don't really, I haven't really gone out there and cleaned up and basically like dust everything off. So I'm just going to not do that. If you guys are interested in seeing my luxury apartment tour when I get everything ready for you guys, just let me know. So thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video and coming along with me on my new journey of a single woman. Yes, it's so hard for me to say. I have not been single for the past 12 years, and 7 years before that, and 4 years before that. So yeah, this is my first time being single ever in life. So I'm going to do a sit down video for you guys and let you guys know like a life update with me and things like that. So yeah, as always, if no one told you that they love you, I do. I love you. Bye.